Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an ice-dyed spiral shirt. My shirt was washed and dried, soaked in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I spun it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have the shirt turned inside out. I'm finding a spot on my shirt where I'd like the center of my spiral to be, and using a fork I'm going to start my spiral. As I twist my fork, I'm using my hand to spiral my shirt and add more folds in the shirt. Then I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. Okay, so now it's time to start applying the dye. I'm going to ice dye this shirt, but I'm going to dye it down in the muck. So what that means is I'm going to put it in a container, not on a rack, so that it just sits in the runoff from the ice and the dye as it melts. I'm going to start by sprinkling some navy blue from Dharma Trading Company down in the bottom of my container. Then I'm going to put my shirt straight down on top of the dye. I've divided my shirt into 4 equal sections, and on 2 sections that are across from each other, I'm going to put Grecian Rose from Pro Chemical and Dye. The other 2 sections are going to be Ice Blue from Pro Chemical and Dye. Then on the lines in between the colors, I'm going to add some more of the navy blue from Dharma Trading Company. I'm purposely avoiding going into the middle of my spiral though, so that it doesn't make the center of my spiral too dark. The reason why I added the navy blue to the bottom is because I would like to have navy blue on the back, so I want the back of my shirt to be dark. That's why I laid the navy blue dye down before I put my shirt down. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some additional soda ash, so that I have plenty of soda ash in my shirt after all the ice melts and runs through it. And then I'm going to load on some ice. Because I'm going to muck dye this shirt, as soon as I'm finished putting on the ice, I'm going to add a lid to my container and set it aside where it won't be disturbed at all for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I rinsed and washed and dried the shirt, and this is what it looks like. I really like the way this one turned out. I like the combination of the ice blue and the Grecian Rose. This is the first time that I've ever used the Grecian Rose on a shirt. I just got the color in not too long ago and mixed up a little bit of liquid dye to make a color swatch, but I've never used it for ice dye. I also like the navy blue spirals that are in the shirt. Those come from putting the navy blue between the Grecian Rose and the ice blue, and from the sprinkle of navy blue that I put on the bottom of the container before I put the shirt down inside. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.